So hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a layer package in ArcGIS Pro. So now let's get started. So in ArcGIS Pro, a layer package is a compact and portable file format that encapsulates a layer along with its associated data, symbology, labeling, and cartographic properties. So this packaging format allows the user to easily share, archive, or transfer the layer between projects, the team members, or even across platforms like ArcGIS Online. So a layer package ensures that the recipient has everything necessary to display the layer exactly as it was intended, including the feature dataset, style configuration, and the coordinate system. So it is particularly useful when sharing a work with others who might not have an access to the original geodatabase or the source files. And this particular layer package is very useful in case of sharing your symbology and the data from your layer. So for example, in the table of contents section, you can able to see have two different layers here. First layer is a dim landslide and followed by the hillshade landslide. So now I could like to share this particular layer with its original symbology and the data. So to do that, I'm going to use this particular option called layer package. So I'm going to right click on this layer and navigate this option called sharing, and in that, and I'm going to navigate to this option called share as a layer package, and a new window is pop up here saying sharing as a layer package. And in this tool here, share as a layer package, first option is the starting package. So you can upload this particular package to ArcGIS Online account, or you can save this package to this desktop using the second option, save the package to file. So once you selected the second option called save the package to file, to save this particular file in your desktop. So the next option is item details. So now we're going to click this option to select the suitable location to save this particular layer package. So now I'm going to navigate my suitable location where I could like to save this particular layer package. So now I have navigated to my folder location. I'm going to right click and I'm going to create a new folder here called a layer package. So now I have created a new folder called layer package. So I'm going to mention the layer. So now I have mentioned the layer name as demo layer package. So I'm going to click save, and you can able to see the file format here. The file format for layer package is LPKX. This is a file format for the layer package. So now I'm going to click save. So in the next step, I'm going to enter the summary for this particular layer. So I'm going to mention as so the layer showing the digital elevation model. So I'm going to mention as a layer showing digital elevation model. So now I have mentioned the summary as the layer showing digital elevation model. In the next step, I'm going to give it some couple of tags here. For example, I'm going to mention as dem. So I mentioned one of the tag here, and the second tag I'm going to mention as a demo layer package. So now I have mentioned the second layer as a demo layer package. So in the next step, I'm going to click this option called package. So now it's going to pack this particular layer as a layer package. So it's currently running here. It's kind of preparing the data. So now it is completed. The layer package successfully created here. So now let me navigate to the folder location here. So now I have navigated to the folder location here. This is our demo layer package. So the type is ArcGIS Pro, the layer package file. So now we managed to export this particular layer as a layer package. Let me get back to ArcGIS Pro. And this particular layer package has both symbology as well as the data. So let me get back to ArcGIS Pro. So now we managed to export this particular layer as a layer package. And this layer package promotes the reproducibility, collaboration, and across the GIS workflow. So by bundling both the symbology, visuals, and the spatial components, they help maintain the consistency in mapping and the spatial analysis project. So in this video, I have shown you how to create a layer package in ArcGIS Pro. So thanks for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel and give us a like.